So here at Acacia Groundcare, we can take care of all your winter servicing requirements. And we can service tractors of up to 50 horsepower, which is this fella here, which I'm sure you've seen in previous videos, right down to full renovations with this piece of kit here, which is our Dennis 34R, and that's been a full restoration. So when you book a machine in, what we'll do is we'll take a look at it for you. We'll look it over to see if there's any repairs or whether the machine is worth repairing, and then we'll give you a quotation of what's needed. So you're not pressured into with us just saying, well, that needs doing, this needs doing. You have the choice. Okay, if you decide that you don't wish to proceed with the service, that's perfectly okay, but all we would say is that we just charge a small fee for our engineers' time to look at the machinery for you. Now then, did you realise that we're one of the last companies that carry out cylinder grinding? Now, for those of you who are ancient like me or remember those Suffolk punches from way back in the 60s and 70s, so I'm talking about those cylinders, but I'm also talking about the professional grade mowers as well, the bowling greens and all fine turf, golf courses, etc. It is really important that those machines cut and give you the surface that you need to do your bowling, etc. So we can do all that for you. We grind, we backlap so that they are razor sharp. And we can do that regularly for you as well. So if it's midsummer, pop in and see us. If you need a regrind, we can do that as well. Now then, I mentioned earlier about renovations and rebuilding of pieces of kit. As I said, this is our Dennis 34R Pro. This literally came in a tea chest and a pallet, and our skilled engineers have reconstructed this machine, carried out a full engine rebuild and service, blades, belts, gearbox, etc. for a private client of ours. So we don't just do your tractors and your mowers, we actually specialise in renovation as well. Last year we had a mower dating back to the 1940s that somebody had inherited and wanted to get it running, didn't think they could, brought it into us, and now he's using that on a regular basis, and we may have some photos that we can show you on that as well. So we can do anything in our workshop behind, as you can hear all the noise going on where my team are really busy. So why not get in touch with us to see what we can do for all your grounds maintenance machinery and garden machinery service. This has been Mark Tavener, your friendly operations manager here at Acacia Groundcare Rental, where we set a higher standard.